What's up, guys? It's Eric Fierro, and I'm excited to see you this Tuesday, February 25th at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. That's the big breakout session where we're going to talk all about do-it-yourself lead generation. So many people want to understand how to get on social media platforms and how to create brand awareness so they can get in front of people and try to find new clients. So I'm going to have a whole breakout session where I discuss how to create leads for Medicare supplement, Medicare Advantage, dental vision hearing plans, critical illness plans, final expense plans, you name it, you can create it, because really the thrust of it all is going to be around branding. So come check it out. And if you want to know why I have credentials to talk about this, simple. We last year have spent over $1 million on social media platform advertising to really figure out all the good stuff that's working and what's not, so that we can also share this great and valuable information with you. I'll tell you what this is going to do is help you to at least have the courage to get started and go on the right path. So come and spend some time. Breakout session this Tuesday, February 25th, 10 a.m. See you there.